Here's my prosperity ball for 2026. You can use wood, metal, crystal, or glass or ceramic. Then first put some cotton balls for easy life. Then rice for wealth and good health. Then 12 burrow eggs for 12 months of the year. Then 12 paper bills with cotton balls inside, tying it with red ribbon for fortune, success, and prosperity. Then cotton balls for the easy entry block. Then the red ribbon is one of the colors believed to attract money. Then 12 coins for wealth and abundance. Then 12 chocolate coins for the sweeter union with family, friends, and co-workers. Then it symbolizes good fortune and prosperity. Then 8 pieces of bay leaves for manifestation and prosperity. Then 8 means infinity. The flow of luck is endless. Then put a good luck fruit at the center: pear, pineapple, apple, orange, any round fruit for good luck and happiness. Then red envelope with 168 in it, 168 for continuous flow of luck, and red envelope for good luck and blessing. But of course, with your faith in God, with your hard work, uh, patience, and perseverance.